everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today's look is going to be rather elegant, simple, very beginner friendly look for Sankranti and Pongal that's coming up pretty soon. If you didn't know, they're festival of harvesting. So they're called harvest festivals. And yeah, on those days, I like to spend more time with my family and less time on makeup. And I usually keep it very simple. And I wanted to show you how I do it. So without further ado, let's begin. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me that big fat thumbs up. Now, without further ado, let's begin. As always, I'm starting with skincare. I'm going to be using the Pixie Lip Balm first to keep my lips hydrated. And then I'm going to be using the Serum Stick by Tatcha. This is a treatment and touch-up balm and usually targets areas where you're aging, if you have dryness, and overall keeps your skin looking smooth and fresh with or without makeup. And for eyes, I'm going to be using the Silk Peony Eye Cream again from Tatcha. You guys know I've been reaching out for this product. It's very gentle around the eyes, especially if you have sensitive eyes like me. And for primer, I'm going to be using the Silk Canvas by Tatcha. This is a smoothing primer, so I'm going to be targeting areas where I have fine lines and pores. And just so you know, it's after this that I apply a sunscreen if I'm stepping out. So I prep my skin first and then apply the sunscreen. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going to be because I'm not going out anywhere. For base makeup, I'm going to be using the QMS Active Glow. This is a tinted moisturizer, but I need a little bit more coverage, so I'm going to be mixing in a drop of Born This Way foundation by Too Faced in the shade Praline. And I'm going to apply it with a damp sponge by Ofra Cosmetics. And because I mixed in the two products, you can see how beautiful that glow is. It gives you that fresh look, and that's the kind of look that I'm going for today. If you don't have tinted moisturizer, you can just mix in your regular moisturizer with a foundation to dilute it to give you that beautiful dewy look. To cream contour, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer in Deep Dark 200N. Now, because I decided to choose a very deep shade, I'm just going to use very little product because I don't want to end up in a blending nightmare. But if you're going to use a concealer that's just a couple shades deeper than your skin tone, you can use a little bit more product and keep adding till you're happy with the intensity. I'm using a flat top kabuki brush by Hip Dot to blend it out. You can also blend it out with a sponge, whatever you prefer. And for my nose, I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. I found that that's the easiest way to do it. And to conceal my dark circles, I'm going to be using the Milani concealer in my shade, which is 145, which is a very close match to my skin tone. Using the Too Faced translucent powder, I'm going to quickly set in areas where I applied the concealer to prevent it from creasing first. And then I'm going to lightly dust it around my face to set it. But again, make sure it's very little powder because you don't want your face to start looking powdery. It should look as natural as possible. Then I'm going to melt all this powder and make it more skin-like using the Dewy Mist Setting Spray, again by Tatcha. To shape my brows, I'm going to be using the Precisely My Brow from Benefit in the shade 6, targeting just the sparse areas. For eye makeup, I'm going to be using the Posh palette. This is from Karity. If you want to look simple but still glam, choose an eyeshadow for your lid which is a close match to your skin tone but has a shine. So I'm going to be choosing this bronzy shade and applying it all over my lid. And then I'm also going to use it in my lower lash line using a flat shader brush. And then using a highlighter from this Pixie palette, I'm going to highlight my inner corner as well as brow bones. Then to add some definition to the crease, I'm going to use this light brown eyeshadow and slowly buff it out at the outer crease. I'm going to apply the ColourPop gel liner in my waterline and in my lash line. And the lash line doesn't have to be perfect because we'll be smudging it. As I explained, I'm going to be smudging it now using a small pencil brush, and the pencil brush is from ColourPop. To prep my natural lashes for the false lashes, I'm going to be using some mascara, but before that I'm going to curl my lashes. And for mascara, I'm using this one from Almay. And for lashes, I'm using the Tati lashes in Hustler. And if you want information on any of these products, you'll find that in the description box right below this video. And here is the completed eye look. It's simple glam, elegant and very wearable. Using the Pixie palette again, I'm going to sculpt my face starting with the bronzer and then the blush and then the highlighter. Because I wanted to keep this a simple glam, I wanted a lip color that'll just enhance my natural lip color. And for that, I'm going to be using this liquid lipstick by Lady Burgundy in Tahia. To complete this look, I'm wearing a beautiful Mysore silk sari. This is my mother-in-law's. My jhumkas are from Neeru's in Bangalore. And my necklace was a gift from my uncle during my wedding. And there's gajra in my hair and a small pretty bindi. And here is the completed look. That's it from me, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comment section below, and do check out the description box for all the product information. I have the entire list of everything that I used today, and you'll also find my socials there in case you're planning to follow me. And I think it's a good idea to follow me. We can chat a little bit more. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.